Hello. So I've been getting a lots of queries why Nazara technology is falling. So before that, I have to ask you two questions like why did you buy Nazara technology? A, you bought it because you had conviction on business, or you bought it because Rakesh Juniwal has bought it. So if the answer to my question is second one, then I guess you should ask Rakesh Juniwala only why the Nazara technology is falling. And also in addition to that, you should also check that even today Rakesh Juniwala is holding Nazara technologies or not, because the thing is क्या है कि this is very limited market cap company and which is having very low float. It's like 4,300 crore market cap company. So with pump and dump, it can easily be manipulated. And the second thing is like even promoters are holding only 19% in it. So why did they only hold 19%? Do they do not have the conviction on their own business? And the public are holding like 61% and making it the most volatile stock in the stock market. So for the people who have bought the Nazara technology because of their conviction on their business, so let me tell you, the Nazara Technologies derives its business from North America. As I told you earlier also that the S&P Global has indicated that the North American IT business will remain subdued for the next 2 years due to like geopolitical changes and margins have decreases. So that is the reason why the stock is not performing. But my question is, there are different type of people who have bought this particular stock. There are some people who are holding it from IPO. Even for those people, it is trading below the IPO price, and that is why one fact unravels, which is that even the IPOs are mispriced. So don't apply your own due diligence before buying any stock. As I told you that it particularly derives income from making big games, and when those games listed on Play Store, the ads are integrated on it, and then they earn revenue from the ad. So they also have the complex business model. I know the world is digitalizing and the generation is tech driven generation, so there will be a growth in games and everything. But even if you look at the numbers, it is trading at a PE ratio of 158. I've been talking a lot about PEs in all my videos. Like, why do you have to pay this much premium to a business which is barely earning anything? Like, they're earning, but their earning is also like very, you can say like up down fact. Like, even before IPO, they had negative operating profit margin. Now they are started earning good, but you don't know how long they will earn good. And my question is, why did the people bought it at 3,000 and 2,800? Like what was the conviction? Like, this is not a buy at any price stock. So this is a learning to you guys that don't chase just because your friends are buying, just because any big bull is buying or anyone is buying. At least check basic, go to the screener and check at least the sales are rising and how long it is rising and what are the operating margin and do they have the enough cash flows. Do your own research. I mean, this is very basic, man, because now you are with the question like what to do with this particular stock, like whether to average it or whether to buy more or sell it on a loss. So if your conviction, don't sell it on loss. If you have good profit, if you have good money in your account, then you can average it, but it's up to you. It depends on your risk appetite on and your budget and everything. But not a buy or sell, but there is a very good lesson here that not to follow crowd, because you always know there is a lot to a downside when you follow the masses. So that's all from my side. So 100 बात की एक बात ये कि नॉर्थ अमेरिका का बिजनेस 2-3 साल थोड़ा सबड्यू रहेगा, इसलिए सारी आईटी स्टॉक्स गिर रही है एंड इसलिए नज़ारा भी गिर रहा है और इसने, बट द थिंग इज कि बहुत ज़्यादा गिर चुका है, लाइक 3,000 से 1,300 आ गया है. तो आई नो आपका पोर्टफोलियो काफ़ी रेड होगा ऑलमोस्ट. सो दैट्स वाई ऑलवेज टेल डू योर ओन रिसर्च. अच्छे माइन्यूट चीजेस को फॉलो करते रहो, बिकॉज इवन दो वी रिटेलर्स डू नॉट फॉलो दिस, द बिग फंड मैनेजर्स हु हैव million multi-dollar to invest, they follow every minute detail, like what is happening in S&P, what is, and also this is giving services to emerging markets. So at the time of geopolitical changes and crisis and recession and inflation, I don't think anybody goes to emerging market. Everybody wants a safer side, so the caution is the button all the people push. So that is only a reason, that is also one more reason that the stock is falling. That's all from my side. Keep happy investing, guys.